Welcome to the Transparent FX Academy. I'm Nick and I'm a top author on TradingView with over 190k reputation points. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. This is the place to go for high quality, free trading education. Now, without further ado, let's jump straight onto the chart. In this video, I will be speaking about AUDUSD. Now, as usual, to keep the video as educational as possible, first I will be covering the technical aspect of this market, then we will move to the order flow, and by the end of the video, by using the combination of these two different types of analysis, we will try to understand where we have the highest probabilities for the next potential move here for this pair. Now, starting from the monthly time frame, what we can see is that we have a market which at the moment is heading towards the support that we have at this low. In fact, what we know is that from here, all this rejection to the upside was previously created. As the market is currently approaching this exact same zone, there is definitely the possibility for the market to go and test that zone and then potentially to reject it to the upside. So here on the monthly, we could expect a bit more bearish price action before then getting a potential rejection to the upside. Going down on the weekly time frame, what do we have? Now, from a weekly perspective, we have a market which is currently pushing to the downside quite aggressively. Also here, as we have broken below this previous green candle, this is now previous support turned resistance. In fact, during all this push to the downside, there is only one level that made the market create a green candle, which is exactly this one here, meaning that at this point, this is a quite strong level of previous weekly support, which is now turned resistance, that we could expect the market to go and test before then getting rejected to the downside. Going down on the daily time frame, what do we see? Now, from a daily perspective, we can notice this previous support turn resistance even more clearly. We can also notice that as the market is currently creating this move here, if we will now see a move to the upside, it would create a W formation. And what we know is that after the creation of a W, the market likes to create a move to the downside to go and complete the pattern at the neckline, which is previous resistance turn support. That would increase the probabilities that if we actually go and hit this area, from here we could see a reversal to the downside. Now, if we go and see what we have when it comes to the commitment of traders, so the COT data, which is what the non-commercials, so the biggest speculators in the market are doing, and we check the data for the AUD, what we can see is that with the last reports, net positions have gotten increased. In fact, we went from having the high here, the low actually of minus 36k to now having minus 28k net positions, showing an increase of the net positioning. This is getting more bullish for the AUD. However, as we're getting this increase of the net positions, with the last report, we still see 1,500 shorts getting added. So even though it seems like there's a good probability to see some bullish price action getting developed, this could just be another area inside of which the increase of the net positions stops and institutions continue to add even more shorts, as it has already happened with the last report. So if we will see a rejection to this area, from here there is a possibility for a potential reversal to the downside. So we have no confirmation that this will actually happen. From here the market could easily continue to the downside, not creating this setup. However, if the market actually creates this move to the upside and goes and tests this area, how we could be approaching a potential reversal lower away from this zone. Now, as usual, trading is reactive and not predictive. The monthly, weekly, and daily combined with the COT data, those are the best time frames from a directional perspective. However, when it comes to confirmations and entries, the best time frames are the intraday time frames, so 4 hour and lower. Therefore, what we could be doing is monitoring price action from an intraday perspective during this move to the upside, waiting for the market to shift from an intraday bullish market as we would have to an intraday bearish market. And if the market would shift from an intraday bullish to bearish market and provide to us one of our valid entries, at that point we could be looking for a potential reversal to the downside for the market to complete the W formation at the neckline. Now, if you don't know what I'm speaking about when I say valid entries and these kind of things and you want to learn more, I really suggest that you go and check out the transparentfxtrading.com website. Here you will have the possibility to gain access to my entire all-inclusive mentorship program. As soon as you open the page, you will see that I made a video here explaining exactly what you get in it. I really suggest that you go and check it out, which is essentially all the courses, so risk management, day trading, swing trading, position trading. Also, you have the possibility to access one-on-one private mentoring, the VIP market breakdown, so the Telegram signals, the COT data software, which is the one that we used in this analysis, the trading station software, which puts together everything you need as a trader all in one interface, and also the account funding program in which you get a complete scholarship in which essentially you get your challenge completely paid from us, so you don't have to pay anything for any prop firm that you prefer once you have graduated. And if you continue to scroll down, you will see that you will have the possibility to start an application to join the mentorship program directly from the website. So I really suggest at least to go and check it out. Also, with the link below here in the description of the video, you will see that you will have the possibility to join and open an account with the forex broker that I suggest, because very often I get asked which broker I suggest. Well, you find it directly in the description. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to smash that like button and comment below. It really does support the creation of more free analysis, education, and updates for all of you. And I will see you in my next breakdown.